Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable Authenticator app in Bingx. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things to do for you to be able to enable Authenticator app in Bingx is to log into your Bingx account on the app on the website. Then from there, tap your profile icon or go to the account settings. Then select Security Center. Then find Google Authenticator or Authenticator app and tap Enable. So tap Get Started. A QR code and key will appear. Then open your Google Authenticator or other Authenticator app. And from there, you have to tap the icon and choose the scan QR code or enter the key manually. So once added, get the 6-digit code from the app and enter the 6-digit code in the Bingx to verify it. And once that is complete, you have to tap confirm and your Authenticator app is now enabled. And that's how you can easily enable Authenticator app in Bingx. If you find the video helpful, give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.